So guys, I'm here after watching a video from Danny Black where he said that he couldn't actually change the webcam lens with GoPro. I'm here with the GoPro 11, let's see it. I'm actually using GoPro 11 as a webcam right now, and it's on white. Okay, so GoPro 11, you can actually take it here and then go to preview or lens mode, and now from super view you can change to white, okay, which is now another one. And then you can change to, of course, to linear. You cannot change to narrow because we don't have a narrow on the GoPro 11. Okay, so linear, wide, and super wide, and that's it. And on GoPro 10, it's the same. So you can actually change from wide, etc. So no big deal there. It was Fernando from Instagrammers here for you with GoPro webcam.